Good morning. It's Tuesday, July 16th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear as of 9:04. We did have a few light showers over Savannah this morning, right around sunrise as we got started for your Tuesday. A few light showers and a thunderstorm around Dublin heading up toward Wrightsville, but all those showers just kind of faded away as they are moving up toward the northeast. Things are going to be fairly quiet for the next few hours across the state, but thunderstorms will be back in as we head into the early afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. We have warm temperatures across the state. It's already 81 in Atlanta, 81 in Savannah and Brunswick. We have a few low 70s in parts of North Georgia and West Georgia. Then the rest of the state, mid to upper 70s, with that humidity still a big factor as we move through the day today. So we'll expect those heat index values close to triple digits in parts of North Georgia, well into the triple digits for the rest of the state. And the heat advisory is in effect again today for coastal Georgia. Let's take a look at the weather model as we move through the morning hours. Again, not a whole lot going on. Any shower that pops up here in the morning is going to fade away. And then as we head toward the afternoon, things are still pretty quiet up until about 2 o'clock. This is usually when the fireworks start, but maybe a thunderstorm or two in southwest Georgia. We could expect a couple of showers over the North Georgia mountains as well in the early afternoon hours, but then things really start to get going around 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, mainly in South Georgia. See those thunderstorms starting to cluster together by about 8 o'clock. We do have a chance of a shower anywhere else throughout the state. They'll be very, very isolated, so most of us won't see rain. If you're above I-16, you probably won't see a shower this afternoon anyway, but it is possible that it's just going to be very, very isolated. Our best chance will be there in southeast Georgia and along the coastline. 10, 11 o'clock tonight, we start to see those showers fade out just a bit, and then overnight tonight, we still could see a few thunderstorms around metro Atlanta and North Georgia. Again, our atmosphere is going to start to shift a little bit as far as where the position of our low pressure center is. And that's going to allow a little bit more moisture to filter into parts of North Georgia and get a little bit of lift there to get those showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight. We're not expecting a severe weather outbreak, but we could see some heavy rainfall and the possibility of some hail with a few of these cells. These are going to be very tall thunderstorms reaching up 40,000 feet plus into the atmosphere, so we'll see some hail cores with a few of these storms. Tomorrow morning, we start out with thunderstorms from Atlanta up to Toccoa and Athens, stretching along I-20, and starting to fade out a bit after the sun comes up tomorrow. Still a few isolated thunderstorms 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Then we head into noon. This is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and yep, things get active again tomorrow. Plenty of moisture, a little bit more lift, so we have a better chance of seeing those thunderstorms through the day tomorrow throughout the state of Georgia. And as we head toward tomorrow evening, this is 7, 8 o'clock, still very active, a lot going on through tomorrow night. So just keep a lookout on that. Again, severe weather risk is low. The Storm Prediction Center is not putting us in a level 1 or anything like that. But yesterday, we did have a tornado warning down around Brunswick, a very, very odd occurrence where everything just lined up perfectly. We had a thunderstorm that formed just west of Brunswick. We had the sea breeze coming in, and then we had what's called an outflow boundary breeze or wind that was coming in from the opposite direction. Those two met at that thunderstorm and got a little bit of spin on it. So that was very, very unusual, but anything can happen in the weather world, as we know. So, again, we just kind of keep a close eye on any of these thunderstorms. Even if they're not severe or not producing a tornado, we still watch out for that hail and the gusty wind and the heavy rain, especially when those storms stay in one place for a long period of time. That's where we can get a flooding concern. And that was also an issue around the Brunswick area and Glenn County area yesterday as well. So that's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. We'll keep our eye to the sky and keep you informed. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your likes and shares. Here's your latest forecast now from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.